guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be reviewing the Tarte Shape Tape Foundation. This is the newest product that Tarte has just recently come out with. I know that there are other reviews already on this product, but I waited till it came out in the stores and I just saw it in there the other day at ULTA. I picked it up because I thought I would share my own thoughts on this product. So yeah, let's get started. So right now I have nothing on my face and I only have my eyebrows done. There are two different types of the Tarte Shape Tape Foundation. There's the hydrating one and there's a matte one. I swatched them both on my hand. I liked the hydrating one better, so that's the one that I got. The matte one was definitely more of a full coverage, like just straight up matte concealer. There was no shine to it whatsoever, which if you want a matte look or you have oily skin, that is perfect for you. Sometimes when things look too matte on my face, they tend to look a little bit cakey. So I went for the hydrating one. Now I had to buy this product because I am a huge fan of the Tarte Shape Tape concealers. Definitely the best concealer I've ever used. So if this is like the concealer, then this is going to be a very good product. I tested out a couple different shades in the store and I was the shade Fair Light Neutral. It pretty much looks like the concealer but in a much bigger bottle. I think even the applicator is like the same as it would be for the concealer. It looks like this. It just looks like a really big version of the concealer wand. I'm going to apply this to my face using the wand here. I didn't apply that much of this on my face because I'll see how much I need. I'm going to apply this with my beauty blender. Really easy to blend out, which is a good thing. This is how it looks all blended out. This is how it looks applied on. I really like this foundation. It's definitely what I expected from Tarte. Good as always. This is how the foundation looks. I definitely like this product. This foundation goes for $39 a bottle. So there's a lot of product in here. And you don't have to use a lot of product on your face to get good coverage. This foundation does leave like a dewy finish, but that's because I got the hydrating one. If you want a matte finish, then go for the matte foundation. That's why I really like that Tarte came out with two different versions to really make this product available for all skin types, and they came out in a variety of different skin colors, so there really is a foundation there for everybody. I will have this product linked down in the description below. I highly recommend it. I like the way that this foundation applies. I like the coverage that it gives and the finish. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell button to turn on my post notifications so you're notified when I upload every single new video. And you can also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. I'll have it linked down in the description. I will give a link to this on ULTA's website and also from Tarte. Tarte is not paying me to say any of this. I bought this product with my own money, and so this is my honest opinion of this product. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!